Look at this. This is a landfill filled with plastic. And look at these shimmery and nice branded clothes. They're all made from plastic too, which is basically from polyester by recycling the single use plastic into fibers. These are very damaging for the skin and they are basic hormone disruptors, and they are not good for the environment because when we wash these clothes, they go into the water and then into the food system, creating a lot of issues. What I would recommend is to go for organic clothes or linen clothes, which are good for your skin. And look at this. The label says 100% polyester, so please check your clothes before you buy. I have also been buying so many of these, and I really don't know what solution I could use right now. I'm trying to buy all new clothes which at least have more percentage of cotton or linens or hemp. And the other thing I would like to say is, if you're stuck like me with a lot of clothes which are polyester, I try to wear organic cotton, tight fitting, pajamas or like bodysuits, so that these doesn't get absorbed into your skin.